And we're live. How are we doing? How are we doing? I hope you are well. Hope you were good. Hope you had an alright day yesterday. I'm excited to be back. Typical that I missed a decent trading day yesterday. That's how it always goes, isn't it? I mean, it's CPI, so it's to be expected, really. Yeah, I hope everyone had a good day yesterday. Hope everyone didn't get taken out of the game or anything. Right, news today. I don't think there's anything to worry about now. So we've had PPI and unemployment claims this morning. Well, an hour ago. PPI coming a little bit lower than expected. Unemployment claims remained the same. Yesterday, CPI was 0.1% month on month, so lower than expected. They've got to be thinking about dropping rates soon, aren't they? Surely. It's got to be coming. It's got to be coming, which means pumping markets, I think. At some point. My bias for the day is short, looking at lower day. Nice little sweep with CPI of the London high. And yeah, I think sell-off is my thoughts, but I'm happy to go either way. Yeah, we trace news candle basically. Right, let's get a poll sorted out. See what everyone else is thinking. Bias for this session. Long, short, choppy. Right. So yeah, not rushing into anything too quickly today. We could potentially push up for a little bit, sweep the high maybe. But yeah, I'm thinking overall short for the day, well, short for the session. What's gold doing today? Pretty much trending up all day gold today. Bit of sell off at the start of London session, but oh, I'm actually fucking knackered today. Oh. So yeah, at the minute we're still respecting the 200 EMA on the 5 minute. So yeah, we need to be breaking down below that if we're looking for shorts. Oh, chat rack is short as well. Maybe I'll change my mind. Nah, I'm only joking, only joking. I'm gonna take my socks off, it's about 1,000,000 degrees in here. I've got the tumble dryer in the office with me. I've been doing some washing earlier. So now it's fucking boiling in there. Right, well, we've got 4 minutes to open. Lewis, afternoon, mate. Afternoon, how are you? How was yesterday for you? It's not too bad of a session, was it? Alright, thanks. Half decent. Pocket 350. Nice one, man. Nice. Not bad for a CPI day. Yeah, I had a look last night. It seemed like a fairly decent session, to be honest. It was probably a setup in there or one or two for me, I think. How was your day? Yes, it was good. Fucking knackering, to be honest. I sorted the garden out yesterday. Since we moved in here, bear in mind, right, we've got 3 trees in the garden and they just fucking shed leaves constantly. And since we've been in about 6 months, or just over 6 months, I've just been piling the leaves up and the twigs and all that into the corner of the garden. And the missus thought it would be a good idea to get a ton bag. Her mum has a couple of ton bags in her garden. Put it in there and then basically chuck it in the back of the car and take it to the tip. So I filled that up and there's a little bit more than I anticipated, and the ton bag is full and I can barely drag it, let alone lift it into the back of the car. So I don't know what the plan is now. I don't even know if it'll fit down the back alley either. We've got like a narrow back alley. So yeah, filled that up, sorted out the back garden because that was a shit tip. De-weeded and raked and leaf blowered and trimmed all the fucking bushes back, and that was basically my morning. And then it was my granny's birthday, so I went and see her in the afternoon. We got there, what time did we got there? Maybe 4 o'clock, and she was still in bed. She's one of them that fucking get up at like 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the afternoon and probably be up to 3 in the morning. I don't know why. It's quite a common thing with old people. She never used to be like that, but she got up anyway. We made her get up. Took 2 trades, 315 on one, express funded, and 260 on the other. Nice. And 260 off the other. Oh, okay. He's still up there. That's good. One short, one long. Both went onto 5x, but happy about it. Nice. Had a nice day today. Up them. What do you mean feet up? No, I've fucking been cleaning the house all day. All morning. We're open, we're open. I'm not off. Oh, okay. So you didn't take a loss. Okay, nice. Right, push straight up. So we're going to sweep the highs. Yeah, today I've just been sorting out the house. Having a bit of a clear out as well. Probably do a tip run next week. Between London and now, I passed the combine and made 2k on it. Nice. Happy days, man. Decent fucking morning then. Brilliant. Yeah, my bias is bearish for the day, for the session, sorry. See, I did see a breakdown from here, really. Happy to sweep this high, but wouldn't want it to be going much further than that, really. Previous day close is around 895, so it could potentially push up to that before selling off. No stream from me tomorrow either, guys. It's got a midwife appointment tomorrow. I think at 2:30, I think, as market opens. So yeah, a bit of a short week for me. There always seems to be something going on at the minute. Still made them. So we've got previous day close at 895, previous day value area low 886. So yeah, definitely see a little response from that area. I think if we're going to sell off, that's where we'll sell off from. Oh. I don't know what's going on with my phone charger. It's fucking going well hot. It was flashing at me a minute ago. Little consolidation around this this area. A fairly bullish close in that last bar. Yeah, that could have been a nice little long. I was thinking about it, to be honest. Just because I feel like we're definitely going to push up to the previous day close. Only a small target, but that's all you need, isn't it? What's the bias today? Overall short for the session. I'm expecting us to push up to previous day high, which is 895. That previous day close, sorry, not high. I was contemplating longing from here, getting nice rejections on the EMAs, but I was sort of looking at what my risk would be, and then it had gone before I could do anything about it. So I probably would have been out by now. If we get above previous day close and looking like we're strong, and then I'll happy to flip the long. Had some fairly good news, to be honest, with the CPI yesterday and PPI today, and that unemployment stayed the same. As far as I can tell, that's fairly bullish news. I feel like that's got to be what Mr. Powell wants to see for considering rate cuts, and so. My bias was short, but slowly turning bullish. Yeah, I'm leaning that way as well. That's the only reason I didn't take this is because my bias was short, but then I said I was also quite happy for it to go up here, so nothing wrong with a little push up before I set off later on maybe, but don't trade till 10 AM New York time, so see what my bias is on. Okay. It's probably a smart move. It's can be a bit hit and miss, can't it, trading before then sometimes. When I was doing my the 21 EMA strategy on the fundeds, my average entry time was 10 AM. Couple of minutes before, sometimes a couple of minutes after, be around sort of 10 AM level, 10 AM mark. Not like purposely, it was just that was when there was a good setup. By the time we'd broken out or made a clear direction. Good day, Sam. Yes, Cal, it was nice, thank you. Well, pretty hectic to be fair. I sorted the garden out in the morning. And yeah, it was my grand's birthday, so I went and see her in the afternoon. Knackered today, but yeah, it was nice to get some chores done and go and see her. So she's 80 something, so trying to savour every birthday I can with her. So pretty sure she's got like early signs of like dementia and stuff as well. So yeah, try and spend as much time as I can with her. The name is obviously a good reversal time I found. Yeah, potentially little fake move to the upside or downside, and then real move comes after 10 AM. Same as why I just sit to 10 AM working so far in trade. That 1 hour bar, to be honest. Okay, nice. Nice in and out kind of day then, really. Yeah, I try and be finished by sort of 11, but I feel like the last couple of months the move really sort of has been coming after 11 recently, so I'm kicking around an extra half an hour here and there when I feel like it's necessary. I was bit about 3 times on my ankle this morning by a fucking mozzie. Don't worry, I got it back. That's how you can tell you've been bit, because as you squish it, it's got your blood all over it. I was giving money back the longer I stayed, so I just stuck to the time I happened to win the most yet. Yeah, it's a good way to do it. But the time that I was trading the best is when I was doing 1 trade a day. And if it was a win, it was a win. If it was a loss, it was a loss. But yeah, it stopped me. Chances are, if I carried on trading and I had a loss to start off with, I'd probably just have another loss. And then you run the risk of tilting. And then if I have a win and I carry on trading, chances are I'm gonna have a loss and be at break even and be pissed off and possibly go on tilt. It's just, for me, just better to do 1, maximum 2. I'm open to doing 2 trades now, but to be honest, if I have like a fairly decent trade, I'm happy just to take 1. For the second trade, I'd probably risk down slightly. Fucking sweating, man. Then I'm sat here drinking a cup of tea, so there's only myself to blame. I'll take every trade that happens on that 1 hour, okay? Whatever the outcome is will determine the day. Yeah, determines what kind of mood you're in for the rest of the day. One day I had 4 losers in one day. Oh shit, man. That can be rough to deal with, but it's one of them things. As long as you're confident in your strategy, just take it on the chin. You can have days of that. tomorrow will be better. I'm liking longs, which is unlike me. Oh no. Does that mean I should flip long, or are we definitely going short? The trouble is that I have with longs at the minute is that once we hit yesterday's closing price, I'm not going to be wanting to get into anything too soon after that, because I feel like we could reverse from there. So I'm open to the idea of taking a long in a minute if we get a pullback. I don't know if we'll get it before hitting that 895 level. But I'd have to be... Market would have to be looking pretty strong for me to want to go in afterwards. Yep, take it on the chin as much as I would like to flip the desk. The trouble is, you'd be more annoyed if you flip the desk, then you got to clean it up. So I love watching people in on YouTube. You get like security cameras and officers and stuff, and people lose their fucking mind. There's one video of some guy fucking beating the shit out of a printer in the middle of the workday. I mean, don't trade, because when I start liking bullish, there is why I was being crossed. You funded? Yes, I've got 3 funders on Topstep, but trying to get funded on TakeProfitTrader. Yeah, 3 funded accounts on Topstep. Haven't been trading great on the funders though this year, so I'm been focusing on challenges a little bit more. Yeah, this is the... Oh yeah, I can't see it. This is the guy beating up the printer. It's only a minute long, I think. He's obviously having a bit of a shitty day. It just happens so quickly. Oh, that's it. It's fucking sprays him with ink. He just scans. Oh, I forgot he tries to scan his fucking screen. Do you reckon he was recommending to anger management after this? Oh, funny as fuck. Is this your full-time job? No, mate, no. I work as well. The thought back to the printer said, oh, standard tilt that, yeah. We've all wanted to do it. Yeah, I'm only breaking the romper now. Oh yeah, I reckon he had some form of a performance review after that day probably. Slowly grinding up, haven't we? Leo, good morning, mate. How you doing? As long as over 910 I like. 910, yes. Yeah, I think I'm the same. If we're getting sort of at that level, looking strong, I'm happy to go long. Miss the entry on the opening again. It's just, yeah, I missed it as well. I'll come in with a bearish bias. I've still got a bearish bias, and we was what 6-7 minutes into it, and I'm looking at it, I'm seeing the wicks, and then I'm thinking about it, and as I'm looking at what my risk is going to be, we shot off. So I missed it, but yeah, I was definitely thinking about it. Because I was thinking, I'm happy for us to sort of shoot up to around 895, yesterday's close. So it's still a decent target to take. Still a little way to go, so I should have really taken it, but yeah, I wasn't. The trouble with coming in with a bias, isn't it? Selling off a little bit. Oh, did anyone see that plane crash in India? Fucking mad, isn't it? Trump fucking posted 54 minutes ago the China deal is great. Didn't even see that. That could something could be announced maybe today, maybe tomorrow. See how hot it is. It's moving yet. The 1 hour just made a double bottom on the 200 emails. And I was fat for today. Had to clean the dog area, miss the entry. Ah, fuck the dog, man. Dog should be last on the priority list. Just in the jokes about it, which are not funny. Fucking really already? Jesus. They moved quick, didn't they? Honestly, I'm almost up for fucking completely boycotting flights. Flying. Starting to scare the shit out of me. Fucking planes falling out of the sky all the time. I'd much rather get a boat. Well, I suppose it'd be a long trip from India, wouldn't it, I guess, but I don't want to go to India, so it's not an issue for me. Definitely didn't laugh. Yeah, alright. Nah, I like all of that. Yeah, the only places that I'm interested in really going, at least anytime soon, is North America or Canary Islands, because my mum lives there. Sort of have to go there. And you can just about drive to the Canary Islands. It's a bit of a pain in the ass, but you can do it. It's about a 30-hour ferry from South Spain. So if I was to go for a bit of a longer time, it wouldn't be too bad, but it's not something you want to do if you're going for a week, 2 weeks or something. Some wife always, I'll never enter an airplane from India, Pakistan, or whatever this dodgy country yet. It is fucking terrifying, isn't it? I think it's just it's hit home a little bit more for me because where it's coming back into Gatwick, obviously at UK airport, that's where we flew into like literally 3 weeks ago. It's just obviously it's fucking stupid, I know, because obviously it could be any airport, it doesn't matter, but still just a bit scatty. Dude, to go to the US, I don't trust my own country's planes. Fucking funny. Have they said the cause yet? No, I don't think so. I don't imagine they will now for at least a few days. I'll have a look. There was some guy, some specialist on the interview that said was basically saying it's a bit strange for it to happen on takeoff like that. Oh Jesus, looks like they're all dead. Fuck me. $53 British people on it. Yeah, the guy was saying it's for it to sort of crash on takeoff like that. It's a bit fishy basically, because nothing should ever really go wrong. The planes basically fly themselves. It's a decent plane. So yeah, I think he was basically implying there could be something fishy going on there basically. 11 children on there. Yeah, more than 200 bodies have been recovered from the site. Police said they added there appeared to be no survivors. Fucking hell, man. Wasn't something stupid like autopilot failure? Maybe. I don't know, 250. Thought this flight's at like 500. The star on it. Someone at the wrong zero somewhere yet, potentially. Thought he was in India. I don't know, mate. I haven't seen where Starmer is recently. I try to not pay attention to him. He was when was the Reeves's fucking announcement? That was what, day or two ago? He was here then, wasn't he, I think? Oh, police have said the jet struck a hostel that was used by local doctors. It's hit a building as well. So 169 Indian nationals, 7 Portuguese and 1 Canadian, as well as the 55 Brits, whatever it was. I feel like they'll do a short on here, but not going to be a good entry. I'm in short. Oh. Whoa. Jesus. That's a fucking horrible fucking candle. Average fill price 873.50. Fill wasn't too bad really, considering. Took me fucking well bad. Yeah, messed up slightly with the risk there. I like to sort of risk 400 or 500. So yeah, I didn't calculate that very well. Right, let's catch up on chat. Oh, we just hit fucking yesterday's close, didn't we? 895 it was. How bad was that slippage? I don't think it was actually too bad. I think it was about one tick away from where my stop loss was. I just messed my risk up a little bit. Messed the sizing up a little bit. I'm happy with sort of 500. But yeah, obviously 720 is too much. Why am I never in these steroid candles? Took long the 5 minute setup, was out before the pump. Yeah, 5 minute looked quite clean, to be honest. That's because I've got that fucking bias, man. I don't know if it's better to just not have a bias sometimes. This bias shit's not for us, dude. Yeah, no, I don't think so. I think because then you're almost sort of trying to preempt moves, aren't you? If you've got a bias. But if I don't have a bias, I don't even think about it, and then I'm literally just trading specifically what I see directly on the chart right now, rather than what's going on for the day. But the email tell me the bias is easy yet. I mean, if I hadn't had that short bias in my head, I probably would have taken the long at 937. Because even with the short bias, I was really liking the look of it. Every fucking time I've in my life over the last 7 years I tried to take trades against it, I got fucked. Yeah. New rule then, don't bother with a bias, not worth it. Not worth the hassle. When the 1 minute gets messy, EMA's crossing and shit, you got a time frame. Look, the 5 minute and 50 minute EMAs are still telling you the bias, yeah. But again, it's because I had the short bias in my head, so I'm trying to catch a reversal basically, and trying to basically get in on the 1 minute short EMAs as soon as we got the signal. Obviously the 50 EMA was still not in the right place, but everything else was sort of flipping, getting nice rejections off of it, and I thought, yeah, I can see it going down to VWAP, but well, at least I didn't take on the funders. I didn't even forgot about the funders. This type of short-term trading is more important for the bias. You might be maybe right, market can drop 200 points, but if you don't get the timing, it's meaningless yet. Yeah, 100%, man. You spitting some truth there. Because it's exactly why I don't trade other methods. I've tried catching the move of the day, and I can't do it. Not well enough. I can fairly often predict what's going to happen, but actually taking a trade on it, catching the top or the bottom or whatever, is so much harder than it sort of seems, and I can't ever make it work long term. So why am I trying to do it on an EMA strategy? I'm supposed to be trading with the fucking EMAs, not anything else. Yeah. Every mistake is a lesson learned, though. Man, I'm fucking so hot in here. My t-shirt's sticking to my back. That's something I might look at for any kind of bias is 15-minute fun levels based on EMAs or equal high lows. Better for entries, like Leah's saying, timing's everything. Yeah, I mean, I normally do 15 minutes for the bias, but again, I should literally just be trading with the direction of the EMAs. Bias doesn't really matter because my bias is against the EMAs, so. But that's fine. Lesson learned. Lesson learned. I'm still open to taking another trade. We're looking quite strong above the 900s, so. Also, apparently the going back to this plane crash, there was a mayday call, which obviously signalled the emergency, but there was no response from the aircraft thereafter. So they knew something was wrong. The flight was from India. Yes, took off from India and was supposed to be landing in Gatwick, London. Spag roll for dinner tonight, I think. Should be good. I think we're getting Domino's tomorrow. Buzzing for that. Is there any news tomorrow? Does anyone know? Just consumer sentiment tomorrow. Money printers in long, nice. Been good so far. Alright, in for the final trade of the day. Let's get on the fundeds. Well, we have to set my long target. We could do you're the printer of money. Funny, it was as easy as that. Jacob, how's your trading been going? Yes, not amazing, not horrendous, average. Started a new challenge on the TakeProfitTrader. Taking a few trades sort of around break even, slightly in drawdown at the minute, but had a bit of a shitty loss a minute ago, but messed the risk up a little bit and risked a bit too much, then a bit more than I wanted to risk. Fundeds, and yeah, it's been similar. The fundeds taking a couple of losses this week. I think maybe one loss maybe this week. I'll tell you. One loss this week on the fundeds on Monday. Just break even. Yeah, I mean, this is only my third day this week because I had yesterday off. But I had loss on Monday, win on Tuesday, then I lost just a minute ago. Shorts look good here. Mark struggling to pass this. Yes, I'm not feeling amazing about it, to be honest. Tempted to me to break even in a minute. Definitely made my stop up, that's for sure. Chop, chop, chop. When it's like a barcode to sit on my hands, yeah. Don't blame you, mate. I can't bear when we go range bound because you can get a bit sweepy either side, and that doesn't ever make me feel great. If we break out above this, I'll be moving straight to break even. Could be the sweep before the sell-off. It's massive amounts of volume building here as well, which does not give me good vibes. Yeah, I'm gonna break even on this. I always find when a volume starts building like that on a sort of an area where we could reverse, and yeah, there's not a lot of price hasn't been at this level too long, but we've built a nice wedge of volume here, which sort of gives me the inclination that we could sell off. If we break out above this, I'll probably move up quite aggressive because I think we could sell straight off from there. We're pushing actually up quite nice, aren't we? Yeah, to be fair, that's quite a strong push up for a sweep, so maybe it's not a sweep. I'm happy where my trade-ins are. Alright, am I all out? Yeah, all out on there. All out on there. Nice. Nice that one of the fundeds then. Still down in the challenge account, but at least I shaved off some of that fucking damage. 353 loss on the day on that. Yeah, for me, like seeing volume build like that in a very short amount of price action, to me is just sell-off vibes. And then even more sweeping above that there's even more sell-off vibes. It does look quite strong there, to be fair. Like normally a sweep I'd expect not much above, and then quite an aggressive sell-off, which is why I sort of moved up quite quickly. But that is a very strong bar, so maybe it's not a sweep, maybe we're just pushing up. Maybe this is just the breather. But yeah, when we get like a little range band like that, whatever side we break out of first, I'm looking at this, I'm thinking it's going the other way. Do you know what I mean? This is sweep is what I always go to. It's the fact that we pushed up first sort of is more inclination to me that we're going to sell off, but that bar is quite strong, so maybe not. But I'm happy with what I took. It's worked out to be about 0.9. It's not the best RR, but that's fine. And when that happens, yeah, just go on. Price can go either side for that reason, yeah. Set the current 5 minute fair value gaps until it breaks. That's my bias, still bullish. Adding more, crazy how trading works. I'll come back though. No, I think you might be right, to be honest. We're looking quite strong. Like I said, for me, if it's going to be a sweep, it's not that strong of a bar normally. Good trade, cheers, Leo. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Where was my initial take profit? 5.4. $5.5. Yeah, take profit is 5.5, 9.55. So see if we get there. Good take profit, nice money printer. Happy days, man. Happy days, well done. Better off being on the side of the EMAs, yeah, 100%. Yeah, I mean, looking back, recapping it, maybe I went a little bit too aggressive with the trailing stop, but yeah, like I said, that volume build up and then the push above, just I instantly had it in my head, right, where this is a sweep and we're selling off. Maybe when I saw the close, nice strong close, nice decent push up, doesn't really give me a sweepy kind of vibes, that bar. Maybe I shouldn't have been quite as aggressive with it. Because yeah, I was only just stopped out really when I stopped. Maybe could have been just below this high maybe. But other than that, though, I'm really happy with it. Yeah, so need to be a little bit more relaxed on letting them run. But the trouble is, as soon as I'm in a trade, I'm instantly thinking, right, no, this is looking like it's going to reverse. I'm instantly talking myself out of it, which is, it's good to be like that way in some ways, isn't it? Because you don't want to. I quite often have a tendency to give back loads of profits. But I just got to find that balance of trading the stop and letting it run. Right, let's journal the funded trade anyway. Right. I made myself laugh the other day. I took that trade in gold, didn't I? It's literally the first time I've ever taken a trade on anything else on the funded other than Nasdaq, micro Nasdaq. Trusty Thursday again. Tell you what, Thursdays are my day, man. 926, 938. No, 1026, 1028. What was the stop loss? It was 30 points, 31 points. $140, 28 overall through. Yeah, still not quite at original take profit. Ugh. Right, I think I'm going to call it there, boys and girls. Gonna have some dinner. Quit while I'm ahead on the funders anyway. What does that put my balance at? 927. Cool. Cool, so yeah, so no live stream for me tomorrow, no trading for me tomorrow. Got a midwife appointment. So I'll be back on Monday. Enjoy tomorrow. Enjoy your weekend. Cheers for stopping by today. Cheers for the words of advice from everyone. And yeah, enjoy your weekend. And yeah, take care. See you later.